Hey, what's happening everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be checking out one of these mini GT TSM models. This is the first one I've ever reviewed. It might even be the first true scale. Come to think of it, I think this might be one of the very first TSM models I've ever reviewed, maybe second, I don't know. I know it's definitely the first of the 1/64 scale mini GTs. And this is the Porsche 911 GT2 RS, and it is in racing yellow, and we will get right into it. As you can see here, this is the box per the size of my scale of my hands. Not a whole lot to look at here with the box, but at least it's packaged up nicely. So it comes in a clear plastic tray. As you can see, it's very nicely detailed, especially for what I paid for this. I think you can get these for around $15 or so, which might seem like a lot of money, but not really when you consider you know, how detailed they really are. Once this goes around another time or two here, I'll shut the turntable off and we'll take a closer look here. This one does have the bronze colored wheels, or I guess I don't know if you want to say they're gold. They're like kind of like the dirty gold, I would call the wheels. This does have separate mirrors. The carbon pattern on the hood looks really nice. Does have separate headlights, and I believe the taillight lenses are also separate. At least from my eyes back here, it appears that way. I'll have to get a little closer here. The logos look great on it. The vents, all your carbon vents look great. Got a logo on the bottom of the door. Really cool. Quite impressive. This is die cast, I'm pretty sure, with the die cast base. I think I saw it somewhere that's die cast. Sure feels like it's die cast metal. It's gonna be hard to see the interior, but we got there is a black roll cage in there. You can kind of see it. Certain angles you can see it. But it's definitely separate tail light lenses and separate lenses for the headlights, which look awesome. But the carbon pattern on the hood for the scale looks great. Quite impressive. And anything else I have that's even remotely close to this that I can compare it to is the GT3 RS from Hot Wheels, which we'll put next to it here as the dog scratches at the door for whatever reason. And there's a shot of the wheels. I can't really tell if I don't think there's any kind of brake detail. Doesn't look like there's any brake details, but very cool nonetheless. All right, I had to go see what the dog wanted there. I guess she can be excused. Today's her 10th birthday. So Foxy turned 10 years old today. So she's out here with me. All right, so we'll bring in the Hot Wheels GT3 RS. Now this one is slightly detailed that I did a long time ago. But I just want to look at the scale. Compare, it looks pretty similar scale wise. Obviously we're comparing a dollar car to what, $12-15 car. So it's going to be some pretty big differences there detail wise, but it's cool to park them next to each other here. I have a green one as well. The green one is not detailed. That's ready to pull right out of a bubble pack. But they look very cool together nonetheless. This turntable from Auto Art apparently is not very level, because the cars always want to kind of roll on their own. But there you go. We got to take a look at TSM's Porsche GT2 RS. Pretty freaking cool. The other color in that, I believe, was red, and I chose the yellow just because I don't know why. I thought the yellow with the black trim looked really slick. So there you go. That is the TSM GT2 RS. If you like this type of video, be sure to give me a like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And if you're not a subscriber, be sure to hit the bell for notifications. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Have a good night. All right, talk to you soon. Happy holidays.